If you've ever wished you could build your own app without touching a single line of code, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into Appsheet, Google's flagship no-code platform, and answering the big question, is it really the best no-code tool available right now? Let's find out. So first, what exactly is Appsheet? After Google retired AppMaker, Appsheet became their main focus for empowering everyday users. Whether you're a business owner, a team leader, or someone with zero programming experience, Appsheet lets you build functional, customized apps without writing a single script. And that alone has made it one of the most popular no-code platforms on the market. One of the biggest strengths of Appsheet is accessibility. The interface is clean, intuitive, and incredibly easy to learn. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. In fact, most people can begin building a working app within minutes. It's designed for beginners, but powerful enough for advanced users to scale complex systems. Now, let's talk flexibility, and this is where Appsheet genuinely shines. You can build anything from simple data collection tools like inventory trackers or field survey apps, all the way up to multi-step approval workflows and automation-heavy business processes. Everything is customizable, yet you never feel overwhelmed. The platform handles the technical heavy lifting while you handle the logic and design. Of course, no platform can survive without strong integrations, and Appsheet excels here too. It works seamlessly with Google Sheets, Drive, Gmail, and other workspace apps. But it also goes beyond Google. You can connect Excel, Salesforce, SQL databases, and more. That means it fits both small personal projects and full enterprise level deployment with ease. Support is another strong point. Appsheet has an extensive knowledge base, easy step-by-step tutorials, and a very active community forum. And because it's backed by Google, you'll get frequent updates and new features that keep the platform evolving and future ready. When it comes to pricing, Appsheet remains surprisingly affordable. There's a free tier for experimenting, and paid plans scale depending on your needs, whether you're working solo, running a small business, or deploying company-wide apps. The bottom line is this: Appsheet isn't just a tool, it's Google's long-term, future-proof solution for no-code app development. With strong integrations, powerful customization, and unmatched accessibility, it's easily one of the best options available. So, is Appsheet the best no-code platform today? For many users, especially those in the Google ecosystem, the answer is a clear yes. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what app you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.